Looks like ChatGPT, right? It's not. This is running completely offline, on my own Windows machine. No subscription. No API key. And my data never leaves this computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to Hanin Tech. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up yourself, using a free tool called Ollama. By the end of this video, you'll have your own private ChatGPT running locally, completely free. Let's get into it. Before we start, you should watch Run AI Locally with Ollama and How to Install Docker Desktop on Windows 10 11 first, so you can follow along with this video properly. Links and descriptions for both are right below in the description. Watch these first. 1. Run AI locally with Ollama, 100% free. 2. How to install Docker Desktop on Windows 10 11. Links in description below. So what exactly is Ollama? Think of it as a bridge between you and powerful AI models, but instead of sending your data to the cloud, everything runs directly on your own machine. Ollama supports several popular open-source models, like Llama, Qwen, Gemma, and DeepSeek. And the best part? It runs on Linux, Windows, and macOS. Before we install anything, let's talk hardware. Here's what you'll need. Minimum. Linux 64-bit, or Windows/macOS. 8 GB RAM. 10 GB plus free storage. Recommended. 16 GB RAM. SSD. NVIDIA GPU, optional, speeds things up. If you've got 16 GB of RAM, here are some solid model choices to start with: Qwen 3.8b, Llama 3.18b, DeepSeek Coder 6.7b, or Gemma 3.4b. One quick thing before we continue, this tutorial builds on two previous videos, installing Ollama, and installing Docker Desktop on Windows. Links to both are in the description below if you haven't set those up yet. First, let's confirm Docker is running correctly. Type, command. Docker info. This shows key details: Docker version, operating system, number of containers and images, storage driver, and runtime info. It's a quick way to confirm your Docker setup is healthy. Now let's check which models I already have installed. Type, command. Ollama list. Qwen 3:8b. GPT-OSS 20b Cloud. Gemma 4 Cloud. Tamasmum/Indy 95 Meta Llama 3.1-8b Claude, Q5_K_M. Llama 3.1:8b. Qwen 2.5 Coder 7b. Qwen 3:14b. DeepSeek Coder 6.7b. If you don't have a model yet, pulling one is simple. Type, Ollama pull Qwen 3:8b. Once that finishes downloading, the model is ready to use. Now let's set up the interface. This is what gives you that ChatGPT-style look. Run this command to install Open WebUI. Type this command. Installation complete. Let's jump back to Docker Desktop. Click Run. It'll prompt you to run the new container. Click Run. And now Open WebUI is up and running. Open your favorite browser and go to localhost, port 3000. Depending on your machine specs, this might take a minute or two to fully load the first time, so just hang tight. And there it is, the Open WebUI login page. Enter your name and email. Then click Create Admin Account. Click OK to continue. And just like that, you're looking at an interface that feels exactly like ChatGPT. Except this one is completely private and completely free. Click on the model selector at the top, you'll see every model you've already pulled. Just pick whichever one you want to use. Let's put it to the test. I'll ask it to explain CodeIgniter 4. Type, please explain CodeIgniter 4, show AI response generating. And there you go, a full, detailed answer, generated entirely on my own machine. No cloud. No API key. No one else sees this conversation but me. That's your own private ChatGPT, running locally, for free. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hanin Dia Tech for more tutorials like this.